doing their best to reach the top. Let's take a look on that. Figures there. Okay.
You okay, Mika?
Yung mga ano nga po, mga 3 years old. Same height. Ganon. Talo pa tayo, ano?
Lean back, lean back, lean back. Yeah. That's it. Well done. Well done.
Reach the top, this little girl.
Go, Chicago!
Let's see, and the other one. Still there. She's doing her best. Doing her best to reach it. So we pray that she could make it. Take a look, yeah? See? She got the strength, she got the goal, she got the decision that she could make it. You call it faith. Believing whatever you think that you could do. And you could do it. Because there's nothing any man or woman can't do unless he believes. So there's another young people going his best to reach. And it's a little bit quite fast. And some guys are teasing him. Okay? So let's see the other girl on the side. Oh, she's almost there. Take a look. She's doing well. That's good. Almost there. Almost there. Congratulations.
Go, Chicago!
Yeah. That's fine. She reached the top. She reached it. That's good. It's going down now. That's good. Yes. Oh, they're laughing at this young man. He could not do it. Take a look, it's going down. Yeah. And what about this guy? You see this guy? Oh, we could not do it. Okay, congratulations. And hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy and see more on the inside of Summit Center. Take care and pray you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Many thanks and God bless again. This is Simon Felix and see you again. See you. See more of my video. And please subscribe. God bless.